Hi friends, welcome to Gentalk channel. Today I am going to show how to prepare dried ginger milk. For this recipe, you have to take coconut, dry ginger, pepper powder, cardamom, dry ginger, palm jaggery. The gas stove, keep the pan, add 1 glass of water. You have to make coconut paste. If the water is boiled, you have to add dry ginger powder into the water. Next you have to add coconut paste into the water. Dry ginger milk is good for our health and it is very good for cold and sore throat. It's good for dry cough also. So you have to add pepper powder into the milk and you have to mix it well. Keep on the flame on sim. Add cardamom into the milk and mix it well. The color have to change. Till that you have to cook. The coconut milk will flow, so you have to keep on flame in sim. 5 to 10 minutes you have to mix like this. Keep on mix. The coconut milk is boiled. Now you have to add palm jaggery into the milk. The palm jaggery have to dissolve. Till that you have to mix. This dry ginger milk is good for our body pain also. So weekly once or twice you can drink this milk. The palm jaggery is dissolved. Now the color has changed. So you can switch off the gas stove. Next we are going to filter the dry ginger milk. Dry ginger milk is ready. Now it's ready to filter. You take one filter and you can filter it like this. Remaining stuff you can throw away. Only the milk you can drink. Our dry ginger milk is ready. It's very good for our health, so you can try it. Our tasty and healthy dry ginger milk is ready. Thank you.